They told us to remain on ground, as birds with no wings cannot fly. What they forgot to tell us was, dreams don't need the wings for sky. In order to achieve full and equal participation of women and girls in science, the United Nations General Assembly declared 11 February as the International Day of Women and Girls in Science in 2050. Let's see the contribution made by the women in science. Kalpana Chawla was an Indian-born American astronaut and engineer who was the first woman of Indian origin to go to space. She first flew on Space Shuttle Columbia in 1997 as a mission specialist and primary robotic arm operator. Unfortunately, she died on February 1, 2003 in the Space Shuttle Columbia disaster, but her contribution in the field of science will always be remembered. Sunita Williams is an American astronaut and United States Navy officer who formerly held the records for most spacewalks by a woman and most spacewalks dying for a woman. Williams was assigned to the International Space Station as a member of Expedition 14 and Expedition 50. In 2012, she served as a flight engineer on Expedition 32 and then commander of Expedition 33. Rosalind Franklin is known for her revolutionary work in discovering the double helix structure of DNA. She passed away 4 years before her male colleagues were awarded with the Nobel Prize in 1962, but her work has left an indelible mark in the field of science and discovery. Verore Robin was an astronomer who discovered the existence of dark matter, the strange glue that holds our universe together. Her contribution is regarded as one of the most significant discoveries of the 20th century. One can never forget Marie Curie for discovering radioactivity and inventing a mobile X-ray unit that was employed during World War I. The contributions made by these great women can never be forgotten.